Cleo, what are you doing in here?
Headmistress told us to wait here. Looks like we're cleaning the lunchroom today. Yuck.
Aw, man, this is going to be awful.
Yeah, well, I'm not loving this either. I could be home right now sleeping.
Yeah, right, as if you ever sleep.
This is all your fault. If you girls knew how to hang on to your boyfriends, we wouldn't be here.
Are you serious? This is all your fault. I know you did something evil the night of the dance. No one would ever fall for your fake charms.
Well, your boyfriends did. Snap.
You are the worst.
Shh, Draculaura.
Good, you're all here. I guess by now you have figured out that you'll be cleaning the lunchroom today. I want it spotless, so clean you could eat off the floors.
Yuck, my hands are too precious to be doing this labor.
Would you prefer cleaning the toilets?
No, Headmistress, you'll have spotless floors.
Good, now I don't want any trouble. I'm not in the mood for it today.
Yes, Headmistress, no shenanigans. But I wonder what shenanigans you're up to.
What did you say, Draculaura?
Oh, nothing.
I'm going to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Hey, you never told me how your meeting with Marlene went last week.
She never showed up. I think Tammy got to her.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't know, but I'm really missing Claude.
Don't be crazy, Draculaura. He was messing around with her mortal enemy. You cannot forgive him.
But I think Tammy did something to them. Maybe some kind of potion or some magic dust. I don't know. Something has to explain what happened. I know my Claude, and he wouldn't do that.
Hey, maybe Abby has something to do with this. She's the one that gave us the magic potion we gave to Tammy. Remember when she did everything we asked?
Yes, I do remember. She called it the nice potion. But I don't think Abby would have anything to do with Tammy. She hates her.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, I am such an idiot.
What is it?
I just remembered something. Oh, I knew she looked familiar.
What?
Just before the dance, I was at the coffee shop with Draculaura and...
Oh look, Tammy's here. Wonder what she's up to.
Up to no good, I bet. Who's she with?
I don't know.
She looks kind of familiar. I knew it. I knew there was something sinister behind all this.
Okay, but we need to know for sure.
I'm gonna call Abby right now. I'm pretty sure now the person I saw with Tammy at the coffee shop was her sister Annie. She's into all that witch stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she's really spooky that way. And she's the one that got us that nice potion. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Abby, hey, it's Draculaura.
Hey, Draculaura. How was your summer vacation so far?
Well, it's not the greatest, but never mind that. I have something important to ask you.
What is it?
Remember that nice potion you got for us to trick Tammy? It was from your sister, Annie, right?
Yes, she's into that witchy stuff. I stay out of it. Why?
I think I saw Tammy and your sister together at the coffee shop. I think Tammy got some kind of love potion and gave it to our boyfriends.
Oh, really? I don't think so. I asked Annie for the love potion and she said she didn't have any more. That stuff isn't easy to get, you know.
So you're sure she never had that love potion?
Yes, I'm sure. I have to go. I'm sorry, Draculaura, but I have one more chance to get this right. I did get the little love potion from my sister Annie. Abby, what are you doing here? I want to hang out with you today. I'm sorry, Spectre's coming over. I don't think she would like it if I hung out with another ghoul. Oh, she's coming over? Perfect. Hey!
That was weird. She just hung up. I don't think she was telling the truth.
So what are you gonna do now?
I don't know. Maybe I'll set up a trap.
What kind of trap?
I don't know yet.
Shh, here comes Tammy. Hey, you guys are still cleaning that? What have you been doing since I was gone? Yapping away? Hey, when you work, we work. When you take a break, we take a break. Yeah, whatever.
Something. Follow my lead, Cleo. Yeah, so Cleo, I spoke to my friend's sister and she's going to get that love potion for us. You know, so it'll make our boyfriends fall in love with us again.
What?
Shh, wait for it.
What are you doing, Draculaura?
I bet you she's calling Annie right now to meet up with her, to make sure she doesn't tell us anything. So I'm going to follow her after school and confront the both of them. Annie will tell me everything. I'm a freaking genius.
You are a freaking genius. Want me to go with you?
No, I better do this alone. I just want to know the truth so I can forgive Claude. I want to hang out with him before the summer is over.
Yeah, and I'm missing Deuce so much too. Lots of doofuses out there. Dating hasn't been easy. Shh, she's coming back.